Hi, Robert. This is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. So today I'm just going to show you a few tricks that you can apply to enhance your online performance and start getting more leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. Okay. Looks like we have some content. That's good. You need content. Content is king online. Um, okay. You have multiple service areas. That's good. Um, Multiple service areas means you need a separate page for every area that has any keyword volume. So that is good. It looks like you do have some pages for that. So that's great. Okay, so your website looks nice, but you do need to make sure you're working on your content and keyword strategy. The rule of thumb for your homepage is you need a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words that need to be focused on your buyer intent, local based keywords. Those are the keywords that people are searching for in each of your service areas. So, you need to, which breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And you need to do something similar with each of your service pages and service areas. You should have a different service page for every single different service you're performing and have a similar content and keyword strategy. And the same also goes for your service area pages. Um, One of your top competitors in Santa Monica is Pyramid Restoration. They have a decent looking website as well. You can tell that they are really going after those relative keywords that are location based, which is critical. And they have quite a bit of content, but yet still not enough content like Google would like. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to need a lot more content. You're going to need additional pages. You're going to need to work on that content and keyword strategy. As you can see, they have a separate page for each of their services. So you need to do the same. Um, Google has robots called crawlers that go out and index every single one of your pages, looking through that content for those buyer intent keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. And being in an emergency services industry, it's going to be really important that you're the first one that people can find for each service in every location that you service. This is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website performs. And as you can see right here, you have a domain rating of a zero point 0.2 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google does not have much trust in your website, and that's 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. You have over 700 backlinks and a 0, which means that most of these backlinks are actually hurting you in ranking. And most of them need to be disavowed because they are not authoritative, spammy, and no follow backlinks. So you'll need to get a lot of those disavowed. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to go back and get highly authoritative relative to your services type of backlinks. Because you don't have enough content and enough pages, you're only being indexed for 42 keywords and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of an 18 with over 966 backlinks. That's still a lot of backlinks to have only an 18. So that says that not all of their backlinks are good backlinks either. So you want to make sure that not only do you have more backlinks, but you have higher quality, more authoritative backlinks. But because they have more content and more pages, they're being indexed for 194 keywords. And so they're getting over 283 people to their website each and every month. So it's going to be really important to work on those content and keyword strategies. Now, backlinks. A backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your industry, the more that it's going to help you, the more authoritative it is. And as you can see, most of your backlinks here are spammy, non-relevant type of backlinks. So they're not helping you, they're actually hurting your rankings. And they're also no follows, which also are not helping you. You need to do follows so that high ranking sites can share their power and boost you up in the rankings even faster. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today is the Google Maps or Google My Business section. 30% of people come directly to the maps and they don't go any further. The other 70% do go to your website. But this section should not be overlooked because 30% is quite a bit. And if you're not in this top three, you are losing out on those leads and giving it to your competition. It's a highly competitive spot. So in order to be in the top three for each service area and your relevant keywords, has a lot to do with how your website performs, but even more important is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc., and having a lot more of those than your top competitor in each of your service areas. Now, if you follow these tips I provided you today, Robert, your website can be number one across Google for each of your service areas and your keywords. So I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some thoughts on this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.